Hi, I'm Nicole. I'm an elementary educator at the schoolhouse. I'm here to talk to you about the decimal system today. The decimal system is really important because it lays the foundation for all mathematical operations, and it gives the learners a concrete way of understanding the hierarchy of categories in our number system. When you're introducing the decimal system, you'll want to make sure that you have a comfortable spot on the floor where you can spread out. This is a really big work, so you want to make sure your learner and you have plenty of room to use all of the materials. First, we're going to begin by introducing or reviewing the concrete quantities. This is a unit. 1 unit. How many beads are there? Just one. That's why we call it 1 unit. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to put 10 units together in a straight line. 10 units. You can count them if you want, but there's 10 units here. And when I put 10 units together, I make a 10 bar. This is a 10 bar. You can count it if you want. There's 10 units there that makes the 10 bar. Watch what I'm going to do next. I'm going to put 10 bars together. 10 bars together. You can count them if you want, but I put 10 bars together, and look what I made. It's 100 square. Look it's the same. 10 bars put together makes 100 square. I bet you can guess what I'm going to do next. I'm going to take 10 100 squares and stack them up. You can count them if you want, but there's 10 100 squares stacked up there. What did I make? I made 1,000 cube. 10 100 squares together makes the big 1,000 cube. Next, we're going to introduce or review the cards. You know what this number is, right? It says 1. This is how we write 1 unit. It's the same as this, 1 unit. I'm going to lay out all of these unit cards. You can count them with me. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units, 7 units, 8 units, and 9 units. If I had one more unit, how many would I have? 10, exactly. Look at which card I have next for us, the 10. And remember, this card is exactly the same as this 10 bar. 10, this is how we write 10, and this is our 10 bar. We're going to count these 10 cards together. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s. If your learner knows how to say 20, 30, 40, you can have them count that way, or you can explain it to them. 4 10s is the same thing as saying 40. 5 10s, 6 10s, 7 10s, 8 10s, and 9 10s. If we had one more 10, how many would we have? 10 10s. And 10 10s is the same as saying 100. This says 100, and this is our 100 square. They're the same. Let's lay out our 100 cards. 100, 200, you can count with me. 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, and 900. If we had one more 100, what would we have? Yeah, we'd have 1,000. Take a look at our 1,000. This is how we write 1,000, and this is the same as the big 1,000 cube. Let's lay out our 1,000 cards. Count them with me. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, and 9,000. Next is building numbers. So we're going to introduce or review how to build numbers with the cards and with the beads. Depending on your learner's age and experience level with the decimal system, you might have to start as simply as, can you build the number 5 units? And you might have to model for them. We know that this says number 5. How many units would I put with this card 5 to build 5 units? Oh yeah, you can build 5 units by bringing me 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Depending on your learner's age or experience level, you might be able to say, can you build the number 45? If you're building 45, you're going to need to bring me the 40 card and the 5 unit card. You can bring me 4 tens for 40 and 5 units for the 5. If your learner's really advanced, maybe you can give them a tricky one and ask them to bring you 1,256. Have them bring you the cards for 1,256 and the matching beads that will go with it. Here's my insider tip. You can try making decimal system cards out of index cards or cardstock. You can even try making the golden bead material out of uniformly sized craft beads and twine to make a unit, a 10. You can even put them together to make 100 square or even 1,000 cube. We find that children can abstract the materials that they're working with. So if you want to be as simple as creating a 10 bar with 10 dots on it or 100 square with 100 dots on it, the children can usually understand that as well. And that's how you introduce the decimal system. At the schoolhouse, we appreciate you, our learners, our parents, and our community. Thanks for learning and watching with us. We'll see you next time.